All right, here we are.
We got the console taken apart. Here's the chassis. Meter bridge is up top there. We got the channel strips starting here. They run all the way back this way. Then we get to the sands, the master section, and then it keeps going up through the house.
Go run through there. We did all the sub-group channels. The buses we had to put inside the house because we ran out of table space.
Yeah,
so we've lined up.
Here are the subgroups.
Dun dun dun. Oh, here 1 through 24. There's Grayson, and we got Nate out back right now. He's blowing out the insides of the console because we wanted to clean it up in there, and we're gonna try to blow off all the modules too. So you can see Nate, he's going for it, helping out by cleaning out the inside. We can see how that's going. I'm gonna run out of video in a second too, so yeah, sorry.